Sorry about that, guys. My phone just cut out because I'm using my iPhone to film at the moment, and I had a phone call. So annoying. And what happens is when a phone call comes through, it cuts out. But yeah, I was right in the middle of it, and so this is part 2 of the part 1 video about time and the importance, how time is an illusion, and the importance of now, because it's like one big day. We only have one big day, and when you realise that it's only one big day, it makes you wonder what's night and daytime, and the sun's circling around. Is that like rigged? Is that artificial as well? Because if time is an illusion and it's a man-made construct, and if it was just one big day, then it does make you wonder about daylight and night. Is that man-made too? Is the sun fake? Anyway, I was just saying before my video got rudely interrupted and cut out, that this message will reach those that it's meant to reach. It will be there to help those that need it, or inspire those that need it, or it will reach those that are meant to watch this, because I don't believe in accidents anymore either. I think that everything now happens for a reason, and that's why you are watching my video right now, and that's not an accident either. You are meant to click on this video, and you are meant to watch this for a reason, whatever reason that may be, but it's not an accident that you clicked on this video. And so you're meant to hear my message today or tonight. And yeah, so that's what I wanted to try and say, was that before the camera got cut out, that yeah, nothing happens by accident either. And like, I click on videos all the time, and I think, or they just pop up, and it just happens to be something that I need to see, or I need to hear, or I need to learn from at that moment. It's relevant to me at that moment. So yeah, that's all I had to say really. I don't normally do a second video to my first video, but I was on a roll. It's kind of like messed it up now for me. Being interrupted like that is so annoying, because I've put business calls through on this phone, and now I'm getting calls through which I never normally have, and I just discovered that interrupting any filming I'm doing on it at the same time. So sorry about that, guys. And yeah, it's mucked up my train of thought, but I'm just going to finish my washing. And look, that's my new powder I bought today from the Eco store, because all the washing powder, it's got geranium and orange laundry powder, and it's supposed to be natural ingredients, but doesn't, it's not harmful to your skin, because the other stuff that I use, it causes itching. So anyway, I'll just finish this washing. Thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe now and like to share my message. And stay wild, stay healthy, and have fun. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.